How to record calls on your iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can record calls on iPhones, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are specifically two types of calls. One is online call, which is that you do from WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Snapchat. Those are online social media calls. The other is offline call that you make from the phone app using your phone balance, so you need to have money in order to actually call them from here, right? So unfortunately iPhone does not come with a built-in screen recorder or with any sort of apps that lets you screen record for free. While there are paid apps out there, I really have not purchased them, so I don't really know about it. If you think that's worth the price for you, then you can try to go ahead and purchase it. The free ones don't work. I have tried all of them. So the only way that worked is for me on an online call on WhatsApp or Messenger, I can record the call by simply screen recording my device. So even when screen recording, I have to turn on this microphone access, because if I don't turn on the microphone access, I'll not be able to record the audio. So record that and record the screen recording, and as soon as you've done that, you'll be able to record the call, and later you can convert that video and only take out the audio so that you can use it for yourself. So this is that one of the things that you can do it. So this way you'll be able to record calls, but unfortunately for the offline call there is still no light until this day. Hopefully in the future, if Apple gives us an option to record calls, then we should be able to do it. But until then, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.